Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be taking you to Grand Bazaar in Istanbul. Hope you will like the video.
Now we are entering inside the Grand Bazaar. The Grand Bazaar in Istanbul is one of the world's largest and oldest covered markets, and it dates back to the 15th century.
This Grand Bazaar, as the name suggests, spans over 30,000 square meters and features over 4,000 shops. And trust me, this bazaar offers everything like spices, jewelry, textiles to antiques and souvenirs.
This Grand Bazaar is a must visit for anyone who is planning their trip to Istanbul, and this market is a bustling maze of narrow streets, vibrant colors, and the sounds of merchants bargaining with the customers. It's truly amazing. लिने जस्तो कि हुन्छ हुन्छ लाने भाइ हेरौँ कि यस्तो लाने बाबा बरु दुईटा अथवा तिनवटा मात्रै यस्तो लैजाने हो